Elijah here.
Payton here.
And we today are doing the slime challenge. So what we have here is our ingredients. So what you need is first
Some clear
glue. You don't need clear glue. You can use any glue. Just probably
Whatever
use
you want.
Elmer's or Kreisart because that's the best type of glue. Then we're gonna need some
magical liquid glue. I'm sorry,
activator.
activator.
And then once you have that in the bowl, you need to stir it around for a good 10, 5
Sometimes
minutes.
people use baking soda, but we don't need that. And we have these food colors. We have pink, yellow, red, and blue. And then we have these
Super cool glitter packs. We got black here, purple here, something table, silver, I think, and blue.
And we got these like little flakes and these little stars. And these are like not even $2. They're $1. So yeah, guys, make sure to go there and
Yeah, because you don't want to. You see that tiny hole right there? You don't want it coming out of there.
And
that's just gonna take
satisfaction,
a million
everybody.
years. Always what SpongeBob says. 5 years later. Yeet! Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
It's
come out good.
It's
Oh,
so
good.
satisfaction.
That's yes.
White glue is perfect. We're just using clear glue. So.
Look at all that goodness in there.
Okay.
Look at all that goodness.
Okay. Alrighty, everything's out for me, so that's pretty easy.
Come on, skip forward.
So you can see it's just
Smells amazing.
glue right now.
I'm just gonna stay back, okay?
So magic liquid it's really easy to just do it. So we're just adding a tiny bit so far. That's all I'm doing.
Tiny bit.
So far for me.
You don't want to add a bunch. If you add a bunch, it's just gonna mess the whole thing up. Then you just want to stir that for a little bit,
And
and then a little bit later, you might want to add some more.
So
if
we're
it's
just gonna-
not slimy. So you just mix it.
and sometimes you need like lots of stuff to make it, and you just have to do it for a long time. And this, I'm gonna go back in on my.
Oh. Sorry, I just thought it was.
I just added.
What the DiGiorno pizza is? What do you think?
Look how pretty this purple is, guys. I don't know if you can see, but yeah. But
Our cameraman's looking at us like.
It's so goopy.
yeah, you have to like just mix and mix.
Oh, that's what it's supposed to be like?
You need to.
Who's that?
Okay, I think Peyton's winning.
It's so far.
So far.
Yeah,
There's,
no, she's good. Can you open this?
I just used my mouth, by the way.
You're disgusting.
No, you're in our video.
Yeah, she's in her video. Duh.
You guys are cleaning when you're done.
We are?
Elijah, that will make it so dark. Look how pretty and bright mine is. Elizabeth, look how pretty this did with one little dot.
That's gonna be on the table.
Green.
You have to lift it up so they can see.
Everybody can see mine through this right here.
Yeah.
Trying to think of a movie with green slime.
Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters has red slime.
No, isn't there green slime in the underground?
That's red.
No, it's green.
It's red.
I'm clapping.
No, I can't see.
Can't see?
Guys can always see mine because it's clear. I'm gonna add a little bit of.
All I can say is it's green.
Careful.
You know what wants to happen? She like get it open and it goes.
No, don't do that. That's so bad.
I know how I can squeeze it on.
Elijah, here, show yours this way. I think that's Ghostbusters. I'm gonna go Google it.
Go Google it. Google. Well, I can't Google it.
Uh-oh, I just took over the blue and stuff. I'm gonna add a little bit more purple.
I think that I definitely screwed up.
Oh, you probably need more activator.
Well, why is it so slimy though?
That's because people need activator.
How about I just dump the whole bottle?
I don't. Sure.
No way! I'm looking at this.
Gross, guys. So far, everybody, it looks really good. Well, so look how pretty this is. Mom, come look how pretty this is.
Just got a little Masowdi.
Oops.
That makes this up really quick. You wanted some purple? Right? It's passed away. I don't want to talk about it. Yeah, I used it all.
Then I'm using all. I used all the flakes that way.
What flakes? What flakes?
The flakes that you use.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, this looks
Wanna see what mine looks like? Sure, boys and girls.
Ew, that looks just good. Mine's starting off really good. So, the reason why it's just
Hold on, tell me if you can see this. No, please. It's like hair. I will be right back, YouTuber.
Oh, I should go get some more food dye. I mean, sorry, some napkins. No, what's happening to my pretty? Oh, that's no. Yay. No, yay. I accidentally spilled the. Look how pretty this is. This is this. I'm going in with my hands. It's this.
Let me see if I can do this right.
Ooh! After more activator, it's done. Don't use any of mine. Whenever I need, I'm going with both my hands. It's pokey when you mix with the flakes, guys.
Ouch. It is pokey.
Guys, bad idea to use this. If this doesn't turn out well, YouTubers, then we'll just make it the best color.
Then just.
Uh-oh. No. Get me? Well, you should get me a paper towel.
I can't. I can't grab with this hand. I can't grab with this hand, Payton. Payton, you see, I can't grab with this hand. I can with this hand, though. Oh, that makes it, so I can get you.
Mom? Can
We
you
need
get
another cleanup on aisle 6, please.
some more napkins?
More napkins.
Like a lot of napkins? Maybe I can make a little bit.
Okay, slime.
No.
Rip it.
Sorry, Mom. Yeah.
Your reaction when you see this.
It doesn't look like slime, it just looks like goop.
That's what slime is.
But it's not in a form yet.
Yeah, sometimes you have to wait for it.
The next video is going to be y'all cleaning this up.
Which is when?
Now.
So we're gonna pause this video and then do another video today? I actually hate you. I actually hate you.
No, please.
It's disgusting. You got swamp color. No, Payton, stop! Yeah, that's my slime now, right?
We have to do it together.
Yeah, right. Alright, we're gonna
Yeah,
we're going to sit this down.
See,
She doesn't have a smart place. We're just gonna do that.
So we're gonna go wash our hands. Bye.
Bye!